It's me, Bianca. Huh? So let's get ready. Don't mind this red. I just dyed my hair. So I'm using the Urban Decay Metal Mania palette and these new brushes I got in PR. I'm using the lightest shade. I'm going to put that all over my lid, and then the light brown. I did put tape so I could get a perfect seamless little wing. And then I'm taking a smaller, denser brush, and I'm going to take the darker brown, and I'm just going on the outer corner along with the black. So I just kind of keep running over, smudging and blending to make a seamless wing. To use, this is the LA Shade Shifter Duochrome eyeshadow. Looks like this, and it literally is supposed to kind of change shades like whenever you are turning. Got the shade Jade. See how it's like blue right there? I'm gonna get like a little tiny brush like this. Oh shit, it's creamy. I'm gonna pack my brush. Too crazy.
Oh, so pretty.
These are like little gold and silver nail jewels that I got on Amazon. I'm gonna put one right here. The easiest way to apply jewels is to get a lip liner, or if you have a wax pencil. I think I'm actually gonna put Decadent on the inner corner. I think that would look kind of sick, especially because of like this like chrome I have going on. Small dense brush. It's good for packing on color. Look at that. Wow. Okay, now I'm blinging. Oh my god. Yes, queen. I'm gonna cut an outer corner lash. Okay, taking the tape off. So cute. I'm gonna wipe off. Been loving this. This is the Prep Set Tanning Mist by Iconic London. This is in the original shade. Once that's dry, I'm going with the e.l.f. Power Grip. I love this to use all over my face and on the outside. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. This is a liquid putty on the center, and it's so good. This is a Lollipop contour shade, little stick that I really like. The color is great. And then, of course, I'm going to contour my nose and everything. And then this blush, I'll have it down below, but I absolutely love it. e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Light Peach. And then I spray everything with a dewy spray. And then I go with my Maybelline 18-Hour Tint Foundation. Love that stuff. This is a Makeup Revolution Curl blush. And then this e.l.f. powder. This is a camo powder. It's so good too. And then I go over with the Huda Beauty. Oh my goodness, I love this powder so much. And then I'm going to have to put this down in the description box, but I go over a light blush and then the Over Cosmetics contour. And last but not least, my favorite LA Girl Cosmetics shimmering powder. And then I do take the Wander Beauty and also add a little bit more highlight in there. Then the Maybelline liquid lipstick, and then the Cat Suit liquid lip in the center. And this is the final look. I absolutely love it so much. Head to my next video to see the full fit. And yeah, I'll catch you later. Bye. Bye.